welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Vanya. I make videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, lots and lots of hauls and much more. If you like this video, binge watch all my videos in this quarantine and please subscribe to my channel if you like them. This video is going to be a very affordable beginner's makeup kit. A lot of people have uploaded this video on the internet and you must have seen a lot of them. But I want to share all the products that I have and use on a daily basis. They are very practical, affordable. If you're just starting makeup, these are the only products that you need. The products are extremely affordable, but इनकी quality में कोई compromise नहीं. They are drugstore, but they work really well. So let's start with the video. Okay, so the very first step to makeup is moisturizing your skin. If you moisturize your skin well, it shows on your makeup, your skin glows and it looks beautiful. So I have two choices. One is the Biotique's Morning Nectar. So this is not the lotion, this is the serum. This lotion is a little thick and it stings on the skin. And abhi summers aane wali hai, so you don't want anything heavy on your skin. That is why I use the serum. The serum has a very cooling effect on your whole face and it just brightens up your face. So I would really recommend you to buy this. I have this chota wala pack. This one is for 230 rupees, which I think is very affordable. The next product that I have is a high-end product. It's from Laneige. It's their water sleeping mask. I have the सबसे छोटा वाला version. Laneige is a high-end brand. बट जो इनका छोटा वाला पैक है, इट इज एक्सट्रीमली अफोर्डेबल. आई गॉट इट फ्रॉम नायका ड्यूरिंग अ सेल फॉर 650 रुपीज. इसका ना बहुत ज्यादा जेल लाइक टेक्सचर है, तो इससे क्या होता है, ये स्किन पे स्टिक नहीं होता. आई ऑफन यूज इट बिफोर डूइंग माई मेकअप एंड इट क्रिएट्स अ वेरी फाइन बेस ऑन योर फेस. Okay guys, now that we have moisturized our skin, we need a primer. मैं एक बात बताती हूँ, अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा मेकअप करके बाहर नहीं जा रहे हो, मतलब आप 2 ड्रॉप्स ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स लगा रहे हो ना, तो यू कैन स्किप अ प्राइमर. क्योंकि आपके फेस पे ऑलरेडी मॉइस्चराइजर है, तो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा लेयर्स की ज़रूरत नहीं होती स्किन पर. क्योंकि जितनी लेयर्स है उतना आपका मेकअप केकी हो सकता है, उतना ज़्यादा आप स्वेट करोगे. दिल्ली इज़ ऑलरेडी सो हॉट राइट नाउ. I'm sitting with the fan off and we've just started the video and I'm sweating already. So do not apply a lot of layers on your skin. एक basic moisturizer भी बहुत अच्छा work कर जाएगा. But I'm anyway telling you all the basic products that are needed in creating a makeup look. I have this primer by Sugar. It's their pore minimizing primer. If you have a lot of pores on your face, usually nose के यहाँ पे और ये cheeks जहाँ से हमारे start होते हैं, यहाँ पे usually लोगों के pores होते ही हैं. तो इसमें आप क्या कर सकते हो, इसको आपको पूरे फेस पर नहीं लगाना होता. इसको जहाँ आपके pores है ना, बस वहाँ अप्लाई करना होता है and it will just make your skin very blur. So pores blur हो जाते हैं इससे. तो फाउंडेशन या कोई भी चीज जो आप अप्लाई कर रहे हो वो आपके पोर्स में नहीं जाती है एंड योर बेस लुक्स एब्सोल्युटली फ्लॉलेस. नाउ द स्टेप दैट आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू इज यू वांट टू ड्रेस अप अ लिटिल मोर देन यूजुअल. इन क्वारंटाइन में एनीवे सबका रूटीन बहुत ज्यादा मेसअप हो गया है, सो वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ डार्क सर्कल्स. तो ये चीज आपके डार्क सर्कल्स को करेक्ट करने के लिए, एवरीबडी हैज सीन मल्टीपल वीडियोस ऑन यूट्यूब जब लोग ऑरेंज करेक्टर्स यूज करते हैं. ऑरेंज करेक्टर्स इसलिए यूज करते हैं क्योंकि वो कैंसिल कर देता है डार्कनेस को. आई हैव दिस पैलेट फ्रॉम नायका. ये एक कंसील एंड करेक्ट पैलेट है. इसमें बहुत सारे शेड्स हैं, a lot of brown tones. सबकी स्किन टोन के हिसाब से we have yellow and we have orange as well. मैं इसमें सबसे ज़्यादा इन दोनों कलर्स को यूज़ करती हूँ. I just put them around my dark circles and बस डैब करना है. अगर आप रब करोगे तो प्रोडक्ट हिल जाएगा, आपको रब नहीं करना होता. मेरी स्किन टोन से हल्का सा डार्क शेड है, so when I put on my dark circles, ये क्या करता है, मेरी स्किन और मेरे डार्क सर्कल्स को एक ही कलर का बना देता है. तो my dark circles are gone. So you don't need an orange corrector if you follow this step. So moving on to the base, if you're a beginner, I am not going to suggest you a BB cream because I'm not a big fan of BB creams. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि स्किन पर एक लेयर भी क्रिएट हो जाती है एंड ज़्यादा कुछ स्किन इवन नहीं होती BB cream से. So I avoid BB creams altogether. I have this mousse from Faces Canada. ये है तो फाउंडेशन ही, बट इसकी ना कंसिस्टेंसी एकदम मूस जैसी है. See this. It's so soft and buttery. So it works like a BB cream only, but उससे हल्की सी ज़्यादा कवरेज. It's very light on the skin as well, जिसकी वजह से हम BB cream को प्रेफर करते हैं. So I prefer using this when I'm गोइंग आउट इन द डे एंड मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा कवरेज की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. सो इफ़ यू आर फॉलोइंग मी ऑन Instagram, which you must because I'm uploading a lot of makeup videos there. All of them are really pretty as well as easy to do. If you are following me on Instagram, you must know how much I love the PAC foundation. मैं personally यही use करती हूँ. This is PAC's HD Liquid Foundation. If you are a beginner, if you are not a beginner, I would anyway recommend you to use this foundation. It's a dewy foundation. मुझे matte foundation ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं है. I want my skin to look juicy and fresh. तो मैं dewy foundation ज़्यादा prefer करती हूँ. If you use just one drop of this foundation, आपकी स्किन पे इतनी ज़्यादा अच्छी कवरेज देता है ये. It's very light. It does not make your skin oily at all. It sits very well throughout the day. I've even used it on clients and this has lasted pretty long without any cracks. So I would really recommend you to try this foundation. If not the PAC Liquid Foundation, I would really recommend you to try LA Girls Foundation. ये मैं तब के लिए recommend करूँगी when you're going out to party and you want a fuller coverage. Do not use it in the day क्योंकि हल्का सा इन सब फाउंडेशन से जो मैंने पहले दिखाया हल्का सा उनसे हैवी है, हल्का सा उनसे ज़्यादा कवरेज देता है. Buy it only if you want a medium to high coverage foundation. Even जो PAC का फाउंडेशन जो मैंने इससे पहले दिखाया है वो एकदम full coverage foundation है. If I have to choose between PAC and LA Girl, I would anyway recommend you to buy PAC. But LA Girl foundation is also really nice. I just wanted to give you an option, so I'm showing you this foundation as well. And now comes the concealer. The first concealer that I have is the LA Girl concealer. Now I don't need to talk it up. We all know how good this is. If you haven't tried it out, make sure you try this because it gives the best coverage ever. It comes with this brush वाला tip. तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा easy to apply भी है. ये बस ऐसे ही आप स्वाइप करोगे तो ऐसे ही अप्लाई हो जाएगा. I have the shade creamy beige, but मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये मेरे लिए थोड़ा सा light है. But we need a concealer to brighten up our under eyes. So it works well for me. If you're anywhere near my skin tone, you can buy creamy beige as well. The next concealer, if you're not able to get hands on the LA Girl concealer, the next concealer that I have is the L'Oreal True Match concealer. पहले मुझे ये ट्रू मैच कंसीलर ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता था LA Girl कंसीलर से. आई गो टू एंड फ्रो. दिस कंसीलर इज रियली नाइस. एकदम मेरी स्किन टोन का है एंड इट ब्लेंड्स so well. Even if you have not corrected before, it will just cancel out all your darkness and it's so well. I would anyway recommend you to try this as well. This or the LA Girl concealer. Now that we have applied so many products on our face, we need to set our face. To set our face, you can either use a compact powder or you can use a loose powder. I'm not a very big fan of compact powders. मुझे ऐसा लगता है loose powders ज़्यादा अच्छा work करते हैं than compact powders. But I've been using this compact powder since college. This is the Maybelline Super Fresh Compact Powder. It also has SPF 28, which is great. जब हम बाहर होते हैं, especially in the heat, we need a compact powder जिसको बस हम ऐसे से dab कर ले and all our sweat and oil just gets absorbed. This product comes in really handy. But when you are doing a full-fledged makeup look, I would recommend you to apply a loose powder. It just locks in your whole base like nothing else. The only loose powder that I have been using and loving is the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. I'm in the shade light medium. मेरा usually सारे products में light medium ही होता है shade. Now guys, this Fit Me loose powder is literally magic. I definitely do not have enough words to emphasize how great this loose powder is. If you're going to college, apply 2 drops of the mousse that I told you about. And then just dust this loose powder all over your face. It's not a translucent powder, so it has a coverage as well. तो अगर आप अपने face पर सिर्फ इसको भी dust off करोगे ना, तो भी you get a nice coverage on your face. It mattifies your face, and especially summers में we all know हमें इसकी कितनी ज़्यादा need है. It's worth all the hype on the internet. If you are looking to buy a loose powder, look no more. Just buy this. Talking about Fit Me, I also use the Fit Me blush. ये हल्का सा buildable blush है, but it gives such a nice flushed look to your whole face. So if you're going for the no makeup look, I would really recommend you to try this blush. It's in the shade number 50. It's a nice dark pink Pink Rose सा blush. I also sometimes use a lipstick as a blush. My favorite lipstick to use as a blush is Boho by Nykaa and ये बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है बहुत सारी skin tones पर. It is also a very pretty lipstick, so try this out. Now for a highlighter, I have two products with me. One is a cream highlighter. I have the L'Oreal True Match Liquid Glow Illuminator. You can also mix it with your foundation. It gives a very nice glow to your whole face. This highlighter has a pink undertone, so it looks really pretty on fairer skin tones. For my dusky skin girls, I have my holy grail. It's the Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade Molten Gold. It's such a stunning highlighter. मतलब बहुत ही ज़्यादा सुंदर है. Unfortunately, mine broke a little when I went to Goa. I really like it. I use it all the time. कोई भी highlighter मत लो. Just invest in Molten Gold and you are good to go. Let's come on the eyes. Let's start with a very basic kajal. I use the Lakme Iconic Kajal. मुझे लगता है Maybelline Colossal थोड़ा सा smudge हो जाता है summers में, तो I stopped using it. But I've been using the Lakme Iconic Kajal since my college days and it hasn't smudged at all. It gives you a very nice jet black look. Let's come to the eyeliner. मुझे glossy eyeliners बिल्कुल अच्छे नहीं लगते. I prefer matte eyeliners. So I've tried a lot of eyeliners and then settled on the Color Bar eyeliner. It's their all matte eyeliner. I've even slept in this eyeliner. You should never sleep in your makeup. Don't do it. I have just fallen asleep accidentally. And जब मैं सुबह उठी ये बिल्कुल भी स्मज नहीं हुआ. I don't know how this works. It's very easy to take off as well. इसकी जो wand है वो बहुत ज़्यादा thin है. तो थिन वॉन्ड्स यूजुअली बहुत ज़्यादा वर्केबल होती हैं जिनको बहुत परफेक्ट आईलाइनर नहीं लगाना आता. रियली रिकमेंड थिन वॉन्ड्स फॉर देम क्योंकि इससे आप बिल्ड कर सकते हो धीरे धीरे थोड़ा लगा सकते हो एंड यू एंड अप नॉट मेसिंग अप योर आईलाइनर. आई बीन यूजिंग दिस सिंस ईयर्स. इट्स एब्सोल्युटली अमेजिंग. एक और कंसिस्टेंसी होती है आईलाइनर्स की विच आर द जेल आईलाइनर्स. फॉर जेल आईलाइनर्स आई हैव दिस Maybelline जेल आईलाइनर. नाउ मैंने बीच में ये भी यूज़ करना स्टार्ट करा था. इट ड्राइज वेरी फास्ट, तो इसको बहुत अच्छे से टाइटली पैक करके रखना अपने घर में एंड डोंट यूज द ब्रश दैट कम्स अलोंग विद इट. आई थिंक इट्स ऑफ नो यूज एट ऑल. आई पर्सनली थिंक दिस लुक्स बेटर एज अ काजल. इट जस्ट ग्लाइड्स ऑन योर वाटर लाइन सो वेल एंड smudges also really well. If you're someone who likes to experiment a little with the eyeliners, I also have a lip pencil by Sugar. This is in the shade Tangerine Queen. It's orange. This just glides on your skin so well. Orange as a lip color doesn't look so great on my skin tone, so I use it as an eyeliner and it looks absolutely amazing. If you have to buy one mascara and one alone, I would recommend you to buy Maybelline Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara. It curls as well as lengthens your lashes like none another. Maybelline makes the best mascaras. I also like the Total Temptations mascara. That is also really good. But I keep coming back to the Falsies Push Up Drama because I think it's absolutely amazing. Works really well on my lashes. And especially for girls just starting out makeup, a mascara can break or make your look. So invest in this. I'm not going to talk very extensively about eyeshadow palettes because this is a beginner's makeup tutorial and you do not need an eyeshadow abhi. But if you want a basic eyeshadow palette which is very affordable and बहुत ज़्यादा काम आएगी, trust me, is this Maybelline Diamond Glow. It's in the shade Copper Brown. Me and my best friend have been using this for years. जब से हमने थोड़ा बहुत मेकअप करना स्टार्ट करा था तब से हम यही कर रहे हैं. थोड़े टाइम के लिए गुम चुकी थी एंड मुझे मिली है अब. Be it any birthday, be it any शादी, we have been using this. It's actually Nishta's. And if you're looking for one brand to invest your money in, I would say invest in Maybelline. You won't be disappointed at all. It has these really pretty copper shades. ये बहुत ज़्यादा पुरानी है, so I don't know if they still have this eyeshadow kit available. But I link a few similar eyeshadow palettes down below. If you're anyway looking to invest in an eyeshadow palette, I would say invest in warm neutrals because warm neutrals सबसे ज़्यादा काम आते हैं and you definitely end up using them more than the colorful eyeshadow palettes. So pehle invest in the warm neutrals and then hop on to colorful eyeshadows. Next up, let's come to the lip products, my favorite. If you just have a lipstick on, it just brightens up your face instantly. If I have to choose only one makeup product, I would choose a lipstick. So if you're aiming for a very nice subtle day look, I would recommend you to use this lip gloss. This is in the shade Vanilla. This is the shade. It gives such a nice shine to your lips. You can apply as it is or even use it on the top of a lipstick. It's extremely affordable as well. It's just for 200 rupees and they have different shades as well. I also have the Sugar lip gloss. It's in the shade Penelope Peach Stop. It's a very nice peachy shade and this definitely has more coverage than the Lakme lip gloss. Shifting on to lipsticks, if you want a very nice pinky sort of a nude, definitely go for Wet n Wild's Give Me Mocha. Extremely comfortable on the lips as well. Dusty rose जैसा color है इसका and it looks really pretty on almost all skin tones. So if you want just one lipstick to wear all day every day, I would recommend the Maybelline Nude Nuance. Everybody talks about how great this lipstick is. The formula is amazing. It's a creamy matte lipstick. It sits on your lips so well. It's very comfortable as well and it's just for 299 rupees, which is great. This is how it looks. Next, if you really like hot pink bright shades, I would definitely recommend you to try Raspberry Rendezvous from the Loaded Bolts collection by Maybelline. This is the color. Look how stunning this is. If you like a nice soft brown sort of a color, I would recommend you to try this Nykaa lipstick. It's in the shade You Are Latte. This is how it looks. मुझे रेड से ज़्यादा मरून ज़्यादा अच्छे लगते हैं. This is somewhere in the middle. Definitely recommend you to try Rich Ruby. Maybelline again. This is how it looks. Lastly, if you like a nice chocolatey brown color like me, I would recommend you to try Chocoholic again by the Loaded Bolts collection by Maybelline. This is how it looks. I also have my favorite top 10 lipsticks video. I am going to link it here above. Make sure you watch it. It has a lot of nice lipsticks. That's it for the video. That's all the products that I have for you. Tell me your favorite product in the comments below. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss any uploads. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.